Most big businesses start with small ideas, and this one is so simple that you can start it from your bedroom today. Almost nobody in your city is doing it, but the demand is huge. Today we are talking about the custom air fresheners business. No food laws, no government licenses, no complicated equipment, just creativity and a smart mindset. This is one of the cleanest home-based businesses in the USA and Canada. You are not making candles. You are not selling perfumes. You are creating custom scent cards for businesses. These are the same air fresheners people hang in their cars, gyms, shops, and barbershops. But this time, you make them with their logo, their design, their scent. You buy blank scent cards, add essential oils, print a custom design, cut it into a nice shape, package it clean. Done. That's your product. Why is this idea so powerful? Because nobody is doing it, and every business wants branding. Stickers, cards, merchandise, custom air fresheners are unique, cheap to make, and high profit. Your cost per piece is around 20 cents. Your selling price is $5 to $10. Your margin is insane. And because you sell to businesses, not individuals, your orders come in bulk. Your target clients are simple: car dealerships, barbershops, gyms, small clothing brands, auto detailers, event planners, local boutiques. One good client can order 50 to 100 pieces in one go, and they repeat every month. This is not a hustle. This is a recurring income business. How do you get your first customers? Simple. Make 5 sample designs, print them, package them, then visit local businesses and hand them a sample. Look the owner in the eye and say, "I make custom air fresheners with your logo and your scent. I can deliver your first 50 pieces in 48 hours. That one line is enough to get attention. Then list your service on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and TikTok Shop. People love personalized products. Orders will come. This business works because it is simple. It is cheap. It is fast. It is legal. And while other people waste time searching for complicated ideas, you can start this today. Start small. Think smart. Stay disciplined. Stay awake in your dream."